everyone, Catherine Oakey here. I'm back to talk about Happy Valley Phonics Book 2. In Happy Valley Phonics Book 2, much like with Happy Valley Phonics Book 1, in the back you find sticker envelope and the CD attached. Okay, you'll also find the targets with spaces for stickers, and these stickers are here. So when they achieve a target, they can stick a sticker there, and all the stickers that they need for each unit, Unit 1, Unit 2, etc. Okay. Also similar to Phonics Book 1, there are 9 units, and they're laid out quite similarly. First, we have the song, which you can use in Lesson 1. We didn't lay it out so structured as in Phonics Book 1 because we're using the same vocabulary as in Phonics Book 1, but we want the students to have to work for it a little bit. So as they listen to the song, they have to find the grapheme and they have to find the vocabulary that goes with it as they listen, okay? So they can find and point as they go. Also, we have, the letters are not in alphabetical order in this case. They're now in minimal pairs, which means, in this case, k and g are a minimal pair plus a vowel, ah. So, k and g, when you say those sounds, you say them from the same place in your mouth. But the difference is that one is voiced and one is non-voiced, okay? So for example, if you put your hand here and you say k, k, there's no vibration. But if you say g, g, you can feel a vibration. So this is a non-voiced consonant and this is a voiced consonant, okay? But they're formed the same way in your mouth. So they're called a minimal pair, and those can sometimes be difficult for Japanese students to say and to hear. So we've put them together for some additional practice, and we've included a vowel as well. So Lesson 1, they can do this. Lesson 1 homework, they can make their own chant, and then in Lesson 2, come in and perform it. Lesson 2, they can do Activity A for homework. In this case, they're going to color the words that start with the same phoneme. So k, k would be, of course, car and can. So they color those red. And the g words blue and the words green. You can check that in class as a group in Lesson 3, but also on the CD, they can listen to the track to check their answers, okay? Down here, so in Lesson 3, they can then work on matching the k, for example, to Cali cat, can, car, yeah? And this is how we build from Phonics Book 1. In Phonics Book 1, they're only really dealing with Cali cat and car. But in this case, we want them to use all 3 vocabulary. All right, and here we're taking out the fun animal and we're focusing on, for example, game, and they would circle g for g, game, and then they would put the sticker for g, gum. And they can, of course, check that using the CD that's provided. In Lesson 4, you can check that as a group. And then down here, they can do a little bit of writing practice. And I say a little bit because it is a little bit. However, we do have for free, you can download at www.happyvalley.tv some writing sheets. And students can use that for further writing practice, which we think is important and will be necessary for Phonics Book 3. But anyway, here in Activity D, they can write the letter and then they can put a sticker, or I'm sorry, they can trace the letter and then they can put a sticker of a word that begins with that sound. So, after the 9 units, there are review activities, which is a lot of just writing practice, matching the correct phoneme and then writing the grapheme here. So they do, and they've got the letters up here to choose from. Followed by writing focus. So here we're starting to kind of get into consonant, vowel, consonant work actually. We're asking them to find the initial sound for these words. Then here we're asking them to find the vowel, the second sound, and write it in. And here, the final sound, to write it in. And then here, just to write without any hint except for the picture. Yeah. This is a bit of a misnomer. It is writing focus, but we've actually put in a little bit of reading. So they have to look at the picture and then find the correct word, and then here do a word search. Okay. And that leads them into book 3. And I will make a separate video about that next. There's the Fun Animals chart here with the Fun Animals song, as well as the phonics sounds chart for the phonics sounds song, the flashcards, and of course the targets as previously shown. Okay, so that is book 2. Flashcards are the same, but you can, as a phonics book 1, as mentioned in the introductory video. Okay, so, but you can download for free the teacher's flashcards at happyvalley.tv. So I think that's it for book 2. I will be back in a minute to talk about Happy Valley book 3. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.